All right, so we got to do a quick walkthrough video. So here's the property. A couple living rooms there. I mean, the best part is this outside area, so we got to show this off. It's got lots of seating out here. It's got an infinity pool, obviously right on the beach. More seating area, dining table to eat outside. It's got a jacuzzi over here. So then let me figure out how to do a quick tour. Got a pool table. So here's the, so you take the stairs up. More seating area. Come in here and here's the master king bed, huge room with living area, walk-in closet. Oh, that was already open, I thought it was closed. Just huge walk-in bathroom, dual vanity, dual shower heads. Another room. This will probably be a Danny room. It's got 2 queens. Nice big bathroom. Walking down. Probably good that that handrail is there. So here's the nice kitchen area. Views from all the rooms if you haven't noticed. So I'm walking up on this side, it apparently mirrors the other side. So nice bedroom, not quite as big as the master, but that's okay. It's got a nice shower. And then again, access to, the walkout patio and views. This one has 2 queens. Another small bathroom with your shower. Yeah, pretty cool. And this guy in the red hat's an armed security guard on the property, which is pretty cool. They're here 24/7, which is pretty crazy. And over here, another guest bedroom. I think that's a king bed. Another full-size bathroom. One more here. Oh. There we go, it's locked. 2 queens. And the bathroom. And every room has, views. Beautiful property.